My loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be slaying another lace wig. Today's actually going to be a headband lace wig from a company by the name of BestHairBuy. If you follow me, if you're subscribed here, then you know I work with this company often. So we're definitely going to have some fun today. What I love about the headband wigs is that they're super simple and easy to install. Typically with the headband wig, it literally takes me all of 5 minutes to install. Honestly, you don't have to have any tricks, you don't need any heat, got to be glued, none of that. This would be the perfect wig for those of us who are always busy and on the go and you still want to look good and presentable. For me, I'm a mom of 3, so this is going to come in handy for my Monday through Friday wig. So these are the wigs that are handy for me because I literally don't have time in the mornings to bond anything down, comb anything out. I literally just want to put my hair in a nice, simple, easy, protective style and go. And this helps me to do it. So when you open your package, you have tons of goodies. Mine are a little bit out of order just because I've already went in and checked out the wig. But of course, you get your beautiful headbands, which I'll show you in just a moment. And then the star of the show, for sure, it's going to be the actual headband wig. And then they give you this nice little bag, which is reusable. That way you can store your bag and your headbands in here if you want to. These work perfect for like travel. If you're someone who goes to the gym and you want to store your wig, you know, nice in your gym bag or in your travel bag, or even just at home, something to keep your wig, you know, together. And then of course they gave me a pack of wig caps. Okay guys, so this is the star of the show right here. This is their 20-inch grab and go lace wig in the texture deep curly. As you guys can see, this is some absolutely beautiful hair. You don't even need to like co-wash and prep it to make it look good. It comes out of the box already looking super good. And then of course you guys know, typically you'd have lace here, and in lieu of the lace they've added this nice thick soft headband, which is going to help you to make this an easy install. When you turn it around to the back, this is pretty much what you see. You'll be able to use the Velcro attachments to open it up. And then of course, if you guys are interested, the inside construction of the cap. This is the front of the cap. We have 3 combs there. If combs irritate your hair or your scalp or whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and use a razor and detach them. And then this is the back. I always like to keep the one in the back. I don't use it 24/7, but sometimes I like to have something back there to kind of like hook under my braids, if you will. And then of course they have the adjustable straps. These here are key for me. I like to make them as tight as they can go. And now I went ahead and attached it, and literally we're ready to install. This wig is a braided wig that I filmed for you guys, of course. So if you're interested in this look, I have this wig tutorial linked in the description box. But for now, it's bye-bye. Okay, so I have a spray bottle with a little bit of alcohol in it. I'm just going to take a rag. I prefer not to use a rag, simply use a cotton ball, but I always forget to bring some downstairs. I'm going to load that up and just clean up the hairline. Okay, so far you guys, this has been my favorite edge control. Of course, I'll have it linked in the description box. I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on the back of my wrist, and I'll add more if needed. Okay, you guys know with every time I do one of these videos, I try something different. I've been talking to you guys about this for quite some time, and I don't think I've used this one on camera. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna go for it. You see how that kind of made it like appear a little thicker? Now, I don't know if you guys noticed the difference, but it kind of made the hairline appear a little bit thicker. Okay, just based on my head shape, I do have a large forehead, but me putting a wig like this on, just how my head is, this is the hump of my head, like right here. I have like an egg-shaped head. It just feels like anything behind this kind of feels like the wig is just gonna slide off, because again, I have a really weird shaped head. So what I'm gonna try and do is bring it up to where I feel like it's comfortable at, but the headband part is pretty thick for a good reason. So I'm just kind of gonna scrunch it up so that way you get the best of both worlds. The wig is sitting exactly where it needs to sit on my head, but the headband portion is kind of scrunched up so that you guys can see a little bit of the baby hair, so to speak. And then these here are the headbands they provided. They actually gave me quite a few. Okay, so this is the finished result. I went ahead and did a speed through, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. The first one I tried on, you guys know I'm for the leopard print, the cheetah print, all of that I love. So this one was really cute, and it was kind of like my favorite. But of course, you guys know I also like the nice, really pretty, you know, patterns too, with the pops of color. And this really does look super good. Now they did offer 1, 2, 3, 4 other ones as well, but I mean, you guys get the picture. They're pretty much all the same type of headband, and you know, you can kind of switch them up with your different looks. I love this one too. It's very similar to the one on my head. That green is actually really pretty with that navy blue. And then this one, of course, is very like beachy vibes. And then this one also is super fun. I probably would share this one with my 3-year-old. She is definitely into everything pink and girly, so as soon as she sees this on the counter, it's gonna disappear. I already know it's gonna be on her baby's head and her head. But I absolutely love the way this one came out. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. This is kind of the perfect wig for that, especially like when I want to get up before the kids and like leave out the house and run errands. The last thing I want to do is turn on the blow dryer and like bond anything down, any kind of lace down, because that would literally just kill the whole morning for me. So being able to put this wig on with no heat No prep time, no nothing. Literally just pick out what headband I want to put on. Literally the hardest part about this is just deciding which headband I'm going to wear on that day. And even better than that, I am absolutely able to wear the headbands that I have on my own. I just bought one from Dior to match my oblique sandals, so I'm going to be popping that one on with this baby after the video is over. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and do a little b-roll and a little bit of pictures for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out BestHairBuy. A link to this wig and all the details on it are in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, there was minimal product that I use, but like I'll leave my edge control, I'll leave the water bottle that I used, also the hair fiber stuff that I used. All that will be linked in the description box for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what it is, and maybe you'll be able to shop it or find it in your local beauty supply stores for yourself. And as always, also don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!